Craft Time with Jen from the Blue Mountains Public Library. Today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to make a dessert. We haven't done anything like that in a long while, and I came across this recipe and I haven't had it in years, and I thought, let's try it out. So we are going to be making pie de limon, or as we grew up calling it, crème de limon. So, which is funny because we're not using lemons, we're using limes. But for ingredients, super simple, 4 ingredients: Maria biscuits, can of evaporated milk, can of condensed milk, the juice of 4 limes. You'll need a blender, a casserole dish, a juicer, spoon, spatula, and I think I said the blender. So on that note, I'm going to get my limes cut and juiced, and then I'll meet you guys right back here. So I'm just finishing juicing my last lime half, and we're gonna just pop the top off of that, set the lime aside, and now we are going to add our evaporated milk and our condensed milk into the blender. So there's one. That's the evaporated milk. I'll use my spoon here for the condensed milk. Splashed on me. Okay, so once you have your milk in here, you're gonna pop the lid on your blender and give it a quick whirl, and I'm gonna do that and we'll come right back. Okay, so I have quickly just blended the evaporated milk and the condensed milk, so now we can add our 4 limes to this, just as so, and we're going to just blend that up too. All right, so we're into our final steps. I'm just getting the Maria biscuits opened up, and this takes me right back to my childhood. Having Maria biscuits and tea every morning, it's awesome. Okay, so we are now gonna take our liquid here, and we're going to just plop some into the bottom of our casserole dish. Give it a wiggle, have it lined right in there. And you're gonna take your biscuits and squish them in. Okay. And then you take your cream again. And you layer until you're out of your cream. So I'm going to work on my second layer here, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so I'm adding my final layer of cream, and I don't know if you guys have licked your fingers yet, but man, oh man, it's delicious. So I'm just gonna spread that over my last layer of Maria biscuits. Okay, just gonna try to scoop a little bit more out of here. So as you can see, this is a super easy peasy dessert that, you know, you can make with your youngsters and just kind of guide them through it. And quite honestly, it's super refreshing. It's super yummy. Now, the hard part is we have to wait 8 hours to eat it. So that is our last step. We're gonna take our super yummy, super wonderful crème de limon pie, pop it in the fridge for approximately 8 hours, and enjoy it later. I hope you guys had so much fun, and I hope you guys enjoy this dessert. Again, if you'd like, you can always post a picture in the comment section below this video of your version of your crème de limon. There's lots of different variations to this dessert out there, lots of different names. But again, yeah, feel free to share your photos with us. I hope you guys had fun, and I hope you enjoy, and see you next time. Bye-bye.